Hi. So, do you feel bloated even after small meals? Yeah, you can be having a continuous feeling of constant bloating, heaviness inside the stomach, continuous burping. Always you are having a discomfort. So let me tell you a scenario that is happening nowadays, okay? So it was what happened was that you will be taking fried items, you will be taking some beer, you will be taking some tapioca, nachos, tacos, and what happens? Suddenly in the night, you are having a severe pain in your heart and you are thinking, oh my god, I have got a heart attack, and you are visiting a hospital. So what happened was that when they are taking the ECG and they are telling you it is just gas, you are not having any other issues or complaints with your heart. So you will be thinking, oh my god, can a gas create this much of problem? Yes, gas can create a lot of problems, and your doctor is prescribing you antacids. So when you are taking that antacids, it is relieving for the time period, but again it is coming back. And you may be thinking, what is going wrong? Yeah, dears, it is not working on that way. If antacids have been working in all the conditions, then why again you are facing the same and the similar situation? So, this video we will be describing about why this is happening to your body, what all food items you have to avoid, what all lifestyle changes you have to bring. So, I am Dr. Kavitha Dev. I am an Ayurvedic physician and I have pursued degree in cosmetology, trichology, and I am also an Ayurvedic nutritionist also. So hereby today we will be discussing this interesting topic. So let me split this content into a few things. So whenever you are affected with a Vadiga type of disorder, okay, so what happens is that you will be feeling continuous of bloating. You will be having heaviness inside your stomach. Even if you are taking a small quantity of food, small quantity of healthy food also, it is not getting digested inside your body. It is creating more discomfort inside your body. How about Pitta? There may be some people, whatever food they are taking, they will be having some acidity, heartburn, belching, and morning hours before brushing, definitely they have to vomit. And if they are vomiting, then only they will be feeling and okay, this is mainly because of the Pitta disturbances of the digestive fire. Then let's discover about what is the Kapha disturbances of the digestive fire. So when there is Kapha disturbances, definitely you can go for days without food. That is, at the moment you are taking food, you are feeling so sluggish and so tired. So why this is happening? So let's understand about your digestive fire. Yeah, so what happens when your digestive fire is normal? Of course, when your digestive fire is normal, you are healthy. But is the health it is happening here? No. Whenever you are taking the food, you are having heaviness, you are having anxiety, you are having fear, even if you are fearing the food. Okay, so digestive fire is not working properly. So in the Pitta, there is actually one thing, there is excess of fluidity. Actually, the normal Pitta is not having that much of fluid, okay? It is having only a sufficient amount of fluid that is digesting a sufficient amount of food. But what happened? Because of our faulty daily food habits, sometimes the Pitta inside our body will be increasing. So what happened when the Pitta inside our body is increasing? The fluidity inside your body is increasing. When a fluid is increased inside our body, definitely it will be trying to go out from our body. Because of that, you are facing this acidity, ulcers, gastritis, etc. Okay. So in what all disease conditions do you develop these symptoms? Yeah, first of all, let's learn about gastritis. Most of the patients nowadays approach the doctor for this condition. So what is happening in gastritis? Excess of this acid secretion is happening inside your body and it is creating heartburn, gastritis, acidity symptoms, and when it is going overboard, definitely it is creating ulcer. So what is ulcer? Here the gastric mucosa is inflamed. So when the gastric mucosa is inflamed, what is happening? Again and again the acid is going, the patient is experiencing severe pain. So the ulcer is of two types actually. It is of gastric ulcer and duodenal ulcer. Let me tell you two scenarios. So in the first scenario, what is happening is that actually a patient is fearing food. Because as soon as he is taking food, he is having severe stomach pain. He will be feeling vomiting tendency, he will be having nauseated feeling, and he is not at all feeling okay. His weight will also be losing. This comes in gastric ulcer. Then let's see another category of people. And this category of the people means they will be taking food between every 2 to 3 hours. So why every 2 to 3 hours they are taking food? Because after 2 to 3 hours, if they are not taking the food, they will be having severe hungry, they will be having severe stomach pain. Okay, so this comes in duodenal ulcer category. So gastritis, ulcer. Now, what is the next condition that can hamper our digestion? It is fatty liver. Nowadays, many of them approaches the doctor and will be telling, Doctor, I am not having appetite as before. Before I can even eat biryani or any food items, but now as soon as I see it, I am fearing the food. Because I am not having a light feeling after taking that food. I am having severe heaviness inside my stomach, severe bloating, severe burping, or sometimes even constipation. So these all indicate that our digestive enzymes is not functioning properly. In the fatty liver, this is happening. Okay. So if that is the condition, definitely you have to take the treatment. Now, next is GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Some of them are having the habit of taking tea or coffee just after taking the food. And some of them may be having the habit of smoking. Both of these is creating what actually? Let me tell you. Okay. So when the food passes from stomach to the esophagus, there's a sphincter. So what is the sphincter doing? As soon as you take your food, this sphincter will be closing, and after some time it will be opening. Then the food will be going to our esophagus. But if you are taking the food and then you are going to lie down or you are continuously sitting, what is happening? Definitely, this is again hampering our health. How it is hampering our health? Actually, what is happening is that when you are doing like this, okay, that sphincter is becoming loose. So what happened? The contents in the esophagus is again draining into your stomach, regurgitating into your stomach or returning back into your stomach. Okay. So what happens is that you are experiencing acidity, heartburn type of symptoms. Yeah. So you have to take care in these conditions. And what are the habits that is resulting in these things? So let me tell you, are you a person who is taking continuously fried items? Are you a person who loves to skip breakfast? You are taking your meals very late in noon timing, taking your dinner very late at night. When you are doing anything for 1 or 2 days, your body will adjust. But if you are continuing this for months, years, what is happening? Suddenly you are getting a lot of complications, then you are rushing to the doctor and then you are worrying. Why to create all of these things? Isn't it? So let's take care of our health. So what I want to tell you is, first main thing is actually take warm cooked food. Yeah, I know some people who are watching this video, they may be regularly taking hotel food or regularly taking reheated food. Both of these conditions are resulting in half digestion of the food, not full digestion of the food. So, what all things I am told here, it indicates that the full digestion of the food is not happening. So, what is happening when the full digestion of the food is not happening? Fermented food is staying inside your gut. So when this fermented food is staying inside your gut, it is trying to go out. It is blocking your circulation. That is, it is blocking your Vata. Sometimes it is going to trying out in the form of acidity, in the form of vomiting, etc. So you have to take actually warm cooked food. Very important. Let me tell you a good tip that will help you and why that will help you also. So after your meals and after your dinner, try to walk at least 15 to 20 minutes. So when you're walking, what is happening? When you're sitting, what is happening? Let's understand. When you're sitting, what happens is that the food is staying stagnant. The food is not going in the downward direction. But when you're walking, the food is actually going into your intestine. And what happens is that actually, if at all you are a person suffering from constipation also, this will be helping you in the long run. Food is not getting stagnated. Here the digestion process will also be working well if you are walking. And what happens if you are a person who's taking the food and after that you are lying down? Here is also there is one complication. What happens is that the Vayu movement will be going upward. So when the gas movement is going upward, gas will be taking the bile or the digestive fluid also or the digestive acid also through our mouth. So what is happening? Again you are experiencing the acidity, GERD symptoms, right? So when you are walking, what is happening? Actually, here also the Pitta can stay in its place. So where is Pitta's place? Pitta's place is mainly in the stomach. Okay. So it will be doing its digestion and its functions well. Okay. Other main thing is that, dears, I'm not telling you to do heavy exercises, because if you do heavy exercises, again, it is increasing the Pitta inside your body. But a mild walking can help you a lot. Okay. So these tips will be definitely helping you. Other main thing is that please avoid these fried items also. If you're going behind these fried items or some oily, sour, spicy food items, this is again increasing the Pitta inside your body. So you have to take care of what all food items you are taking. Okay. And if you are affected with the stress, what is happening is that there also digestive enzymes are not able to function properly, hormone functions are not happening properly, and these again can create complications inside your body. So you have to avoid these conditions also. And let me tell you other two tips also that will be helping you. Okay. So first main thing is that do an abdominal massage in a clockwise direction. So when you are doing it in a clockwise direction, definitely that will also be helping the downward movement of Vayu. Other main thing is that try to sit on the floor. It will also be helping in the downward movement of the Vayu. And other main thing is that actually press in this area. This is an acupressure point area. So when you are pressing in this area, this will also help to remove the trapped gas inside your body. So why actually, how Ayurveda can help you in these all conditions? So dears, first main condition is that actually your digestive fire is not working properly. Okay, so Ayurveda will be first addressing how to make your digestive fire working properly. Okay, and second main thing is that actually it will be controlling your Vayu movement. Yeah, definitely the Vayu circulation is also not happening properly inside your body. So if you are visiting an Ayurveda doctor, they will be giving medicines according to these conditions. And third main condition is what actually? Proper digestion of ama or fermented food that is happening inside your gut. So when these three factors are taken care of, definitely Ayurveda will be helping you in this way. It is not like that when you take some antacids you will be getting relief, because Ayurveda is working in a systematic way. Ayurveda is not just only treating your bloating or just only treating your symptoms. It is actually treating your whole body, your mind also. Yeah, if you are taking your food, if what all things you are following, but if you are taking your food with a stressful mind, definitely that is also not helping for you. Hoping that this video is helpful for you. Try what all tips I have told you and tell me how it have helped you. Okay, and if you are suffering from these symptoms in many years, I am requesting you to seek the help of an Ayurveda doctor to live a symptom-free and a quality life. Thank you, dears.